Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. Today we're going to try to show you how to drive a car under 3 minutes. Let's get driving. To adjust the seat, there should be a clip on the bottom of your seat. There you go. Lift it up and it brings the seat back. This clip here. If you look at my foot now, I'm stretching. Let's move the seat forward. Now that we've adjusted the seat, if you look at my foot now, only a slight bend on your knee. This is the correct position. The steering wheel can go up or down or even in and out. So let me show you a clip. There's a clip. Look, back and forth or down and up. Make sure you put the lever back up. When you're driving, you just want a slight bend on your arms, so not too far back. You have 3 pedals, A, B, C. Accelerator, brake, clutch. Accelerator is also known as the gas, used for speeding up. Brake for stopping. Clutch used for 3 things: changing gears, moving off, known as a biting point, and stopping. Every time you stop, put the clutch down. In an automatic car, you only have these 2 pedals. Gear stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The gear stick, this line here is called neutral. It's usually between 3 and 4. To go to gear 1, side and up. Gear 2, push it aside and down. Gear 3, middle and up. Gear 4, straight down. Gear 5, side and up. Gear 6, side and down. Now, reverse. Some cars, they have a clip, or you push down. In this car, you have to push and then push extra and then up for reverse. A little bit tricky. You might accidentally go to gear 1 instead of reverse and cause yourself a little accident, so make sure you push all the way to the side. So to get the car moving, put the clutch down, go to gear 1, lift the clutch up slowly. Halfway, the car will make a little bit of a noise and the car will shake slightly. Tap the gas an inch, like this, just an inch, and then handbrake goes down. Once lift up a little bit, button goes in, straight down. Once the handbrake goes down, start lifting the clutch up gently, pressing the gas. Change gears, come off the gas, clutch goes down. Gear 2, lift the clutch up slowly, back on the gas. To go to gear 3, come off the gas, clutch goes down. Gear 3, lift the clutch up slowly, back on the gas. Don't forget your seatbelt. When you move off, always check over your shoulders and all your mirrors. Indicate in case there's people around you or any other cars that didn't see. When you drive and you have to stop the car, foot over the brake, clutch goes down, keep gently braking and stop the car. So that was a quick way of me trying to show you how to drive a car. Obviously, it's not a professional driving lesson, so always try to get a professional driving instructor to teach you some of the rules. If you like that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button.